Before we start the video, did you know you could win this product? That's right. Simply read the description to find out the contest details. Make sure to follow us for contest updates. Welcome to LiteHawk. Today, we'll be unboxing the LIL TOM SC and going over some of the main features of this exciting small-scale remote control vehicle. LIL TOM SC is ready for adventure. Designed as a rock crawler, the LIL TOM SC can easily navigate through rough terrain. A powerful twin motor setup delivers robust power to the front and rear drivetrain, all controlled by the included 2.4 GHz controller. Inside the box is everything you need to get started driving the LIL TOM SC. Remote, battery, charging peripherals, snow treads, off-road wheels, and the LIL TOM SC truck are all included. The LIL TOM SC has the suspension travel to take on advanced terrain, unique ALPINE color scheme, and high durability protective roll cage. To get started driving the LIL TOM SC, first, charge the vehicle battery using the USB charger. Next, insert batteries into the remote. Finally, turn on the remote and the LIL TOM SC truck and wait for the flashing red light to go solid. Now you're ready to go. The fully functional off-road tracks allow the LIL TOM SC to tackle mud, snow, and other challenging terrain that wheels simply couldn't handle. Switch to the off-road tires to speed along less demanding terrain. The LIL TOM SC is available now. Discover the fun of tracked off-road vehicles with the Big Tom SC and LIL TOM SC. Welcome to the world of LiteHawk. Hey LiteHawk fans! Head over to our channel for more exciting LiteHawk content. Unboxings, contests, and action videos await. Head over to our website LiteHawk.ca for more information on LiteHawk products. Catch us on social media for product updates, contests, and community events. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.